Good morning to one and all. Once again, welcome to Geography class. In this class, we are going to see about the last topic of the chapter number 4, climate. That is the annual distribution of the rainfall and why monsoon is called as a unifying point. So let's proceed to our class. Point number 7 is distribution of rainfall and monsoon as a unifying bond. Chapter number 4, climate. This is our last topic. So here we are going to see about the last topic. First, distribution of rainfall. It speaks about in India the distribution of rainfall, where is how much we are going to see in this presentation. Parts of western coast and northeastern India receive over about 400 centimeters of the rainfall annually. It means about 400 centimeter rainfall is received in the northeastern India and the western coast. However, it is less than 60 centimeter in western Rajasthan and adjoining parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Rainfall is equally low in the interior of the Deccan Plateau and east of the Sahyadri Hills. Why do these regions receive low rainfall? A third of the area of the low precipitation is around lake in Jammu and Kashmir. The rest of the country receive moderate rainfall. Snowfall is restricted to the Himalaya region. So by seeing this, all the points, we are understanding about the distribution of the rainfall in India. We are seeing here the distribution in the northern part, the distribution in the central part and the western part and the coastal and the southern part. Next, moving further, owing to the nature of monsoon, the rainfall annually is highly variable from year to year. Sometimes it is going to be having more rainfall, less rainfall in some year. So variability is high in the region of low rainfall, such as the part of Rajasthan, Gujarat and leeward side of the Western Ghats. Such wide areas of high rainfall are liable to affected by floods. Areas of low rainfall are drought-prone areas. Figure number 4.6 and 4.7 will make you understand about the floods area and the drought-prone areas here. Simply meaning the distribution of the rainfall in India, some areas are having more rainfall, heavy rainfall and some areas are having scanty rainfall, or we can speak about very less rainfall, right? So by seeing the figure number 4.6 and 4.7, we are going to understand about the flood-prone areas where the heavy rainfall is here and the low rainfall area which can suffer from the drought, right? So let's proceed. First, please observe the map properly. Figure number 4.6. The map is speaking about the seasonal rainfall from June to September, right? The key features are talking about above 400, 200 to 400, 100 to 200, 60 to 100, 40 to 60, 20 to 40, 0 to 20. The colors are here, right? The very light blue, dark blue, then purple type and the dark one. So dark one is having the above 400. The areas earmarked here, right? Dark one. So by seeing this, you can understand from the June month to the September. This photograph is from the textbook I taken. If it is not going to be clear to you, directly go to your textbook and please see this page and observe it very clearly. Figure number 4.6. Next, moving to figure number 4.7. Annual rainfall. So Again here the key features are here, and you can see about the whole India. This is the lightest one. So the area which are very lighted, just like this part, these part, right? So they are getting. So dark one, this dark part, right? They are having the rainfall above than 400 centimeter. These maps are available in the textbook. You can go through. These maps are on page number 36 and on page number 37. Right? Page number 36 and page number 37. You are having this map. You please go through in the textbook and get benefited. Next, monsoon as a unifying bond. Every year one question is asked why monsoon is called as unifying bond. Right? So please make a note of it and read this particular point in a proper way. You have already known the way of Himalaya protect the subcontinent from extremely cold winds from the central east. So Himalaya is acting as a barrier, as a wall, then protecting us from the extreme cold wind which are coming from the Central Asia. This enables the northern India to have uniformly the higher temperature compared to other areas on the same latitude. Similarly, the peninsular plateau under the influence of the sea from the three sides has a moderate temperature. So how the monsoon is called as a unifying bond? We are seeing the fluctuation in the temperature and the climate at the different regions. Despite such moderating influence, there are great variation in the temperature condition. Nevertheless, the unifying influence of the monsoon on the Indian subcontinent is quite perceptible. The seasonal alternation of the wind system and the associated with the weather condition provide a rhythmic cycle of the season. That means with that particular monsoon season, whole year is divided into different seasons. Even the uncertainty of the rain and uneven distribution are very much typical of the monsoon. The Indian landscape, its animal, plant life, its entire agriculture calendar and the life of the people, including their festivals and festivities and revolves around this phenomena related to all the monsoon phenomena. That's when the monsoon is called as unifying bond. Every year and after the years and years, the people of India from the north to south and east to west eagerly wait the arrival of the monsoon. These monsoon winds bind the whole country by providing the water to set the agriculture activities in the motion. The river valley which carry this water also unite us in a single river valley unit. By hearing this all, you are understanding how monsoon is very important, and by this particular paragraph you are understanding how monsoon is having the bonding with the all India. That's why monsoon is called as a unifying bond. Monsoon is making us to tie into one single thread. This phenomena, the starting of the rainfall, the ending of the rainfall, one season after another season, all are combined due to only the monsoon, because of this monsoon system. Right? So we are stopping here, and after that we are going to see about from this chapter how the map work is coming. So I request you please read this point. If you still face any difficulty, so please let me know that. Next, this is the activity given in the textbook. Activity speaking about in the textbook, it is here. On page number 38 it is given. So that activity is speaking on the basis of the news item above, find out the names of the places and the season described. Compare the rainfall description of the Chennai and Mumbai and explain the reason for the difference. Evaluate the flood as a disaster with the help of a case study. So the last one, don't do it because we are going to take this point in the disaster management textbook and we are going to cover it. And this about 2 points, you have to read this one and you have to do this. Next, from chapter number 4, climate, we are going to have the map work, that is areas receiving rainfall less than 20 centimeter and 400 centimeter, which I was showing you figure number 4.6 and figure number 4.7. In that identification only, the area will be marked and it is going to be stated the area or the region, name of the region. Maps will on an outline map of India show the following areas receiving rainfall over 400 centimeter. The question will appear in the examination like this. Then areas receiving less than 20 centimeter of the rainfall. Then you have to identify the direction of the southwest monsoon over the India. This is from the textbook I have taken for you. You have to do it. Please go through the figure number 4.6 and 4.7. Please copy down this. So you are going to understand about that from the chapter number 4 in the map work, which points are going to be there. Next, again as the photograph is speaking, thanking to each and everyone. Jai Hind.